Okay, today we are going to learn how to load data and transfer this data into Power BI. The first thing you need to do is go to Data, Get Data from other sources. In this case, this is a range or a range, but you can choose either one, range or table. Click on this button. It will give you the opportunity to select, in this case, if you have headers or not. In this case, we are going to say OK, and it will load the data into Power Query. It will create a table and load the data here. And after that, you need to check that this is right. If you have, in this case, you have date and hours, but I really like to work just with dates. For me, it's useful. It will create another step, and you just have to say replace current. For this one, this is a string or a text. This is right. And for price, you can choose either decimal number or whole number. There are also many options to load the data. I really prefer this one. And you have four different ways to do it. In a table, like a pivot table, like a graph or chart, or just create the connection. In this case, I will choose a pivot table and in this existing sheet. I will locate it here and press OK. It will show you all the files, and if you want the price and product name, you can get it, and you just need to go to design and maybe don't show subtotals and report layout show in tabular form. And well, this is it. That's how you can get a pivot table from Power Query. If you add another information here, let's say let's say 21, 2025, premium mouse, for 300, and you just need to come here and press refresh. It will refresh it. See, it's super useful.